I may only have a simple level here. However, as my levels progress, they only get larger and larger in complexity and the amount of objects we hold. So this is what I do to tidy it up. Create a new empty game object and call it global. This object will contain our main camera, any global volumes, game managers, or our UI. Create another empty game object and name this one lighting. This is pretty obvious, but all my lighting objects will go in here. Next, we want to create another game object and call this one items. This is pretty obvious as well, but any kind of collectible or items that your player might be able to obtain goes inside of this one. Next, create a new empty object and call this one world. This one is going to contain anything that makes up your level or environment, rocks, trees, or any type of platform. And that's all there is to it. Really, you just want to make empty game objects, give them some kind of title that's relevant to the game objects that they contain, and there you go. This is how I clean up my hierarchy.